Go to Create Order Request, then select Category. Order dates and delivery dates remain the default. A search bar is available to quickly fetch the item. Enter the quantity with the respective product pack size. Review order. Order can also be modified using the edit option and deleted as well using the bin symbol. Select supplier by comparing the supplier's price. Individual orders will be created for each supplier, which will be listed under the orders to approve.